Hi kids, how are you? Do you like snowmen? I love making snow them in winter. It's super fun. Today I am here with a very special snowman. It has a fun box where we're going to read sentences and we must guess if they're right or wrong. Okay? You want to play? Let's do it. Snowman, open the box. Open the box. Oh, it's not working. Okay, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Open the box and give it to me. 1, 2, 3. Open the box and give it to me. Wow, yes, now we have it. Okay. Ready to read? Can she skate in winter? And we have those options. Yes, she can skate in winter, or no, she can't skate in winter. What do you think? Of course she can. We cannot skate in summer. Yes, she can skate in winter. Am I right? Yay! And oh, look! We got another snowman. Thank you. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Open the box and give it to me. Oh, can they wear scarves in winter? Can they wear scarves in winter? Yes, they can. Because they are a group and it's winter, it's cold. Yes. So the option no, they can't. No, I don't pick it. Yes, they can wear scarves in winter. And, ow! More snowmen. Great. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Open the box and give it to me. Can he wear sandals in winter? We know the answer. Can he wear sandals in winter? Yes, he can wear sandals in winter. Oh no, he can't wear sandals in winter. What do you think? What do you think? If he goes outside with sandals, his feet will be super cold. So we're going to choose no, he can't wear sandals in winter. Are we right? Yes, we are! And not snowmen this time, but snowballs. I love playing with snowballs. Great! 1, 2, 3. Open the box and give it to me. Can she swim at the beach in winter? Huh? Can she swim at the beach in winter? And the options are yes, she can swim at the beach in winter, or no, she can't swim at the beach in winter. What do you think? I think she can't. She will be super cold. Let's pick the second option. She can't swim at the beach in winter. Am I right? Yay! And not snowmen, not snowballs, but sleds. Great! Tons of sleds to play. I love it.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Okay, children, now this time, and again working with the verb can and can't, remember, can the things likely to be done, and can't the things that maybe are not so likely to be done. Okay, we have these sentences and we need to find the errors, mistakes. So let's do it together. In winter, when it's cold, I can't wear boots. No. Is I can. Yes, is I can. Just like that. I can wear boots. In winter, I can't swim in the beach. Yes, that is okay. That is okay. Because it's cold. So in winter, no, it's cold and I can't swim in the beach. In winter, I can eat ice creams. This is so-so. We can do it, but for for the exercises we've been doing, makes sense to say we can't, okay? Can't, cannot. In winter, when it's cold, I can wear sandals. No, I can't. No, I can't. I have it here. So let me just write a T, and now we have can't. I can't wear sandals. Then, in winter, I can't ski in the mountains. No, look at the girl here. Yes, we can ski. So this is not okay. It's just can, and we have it incorrect. And finally, in winter, look at the soup. Yes, I can eat soup. This is okay. I can eat soup. Well done. And now if you want, what you can do is you can paint the letters of winter like this. Actually, I'll go for W. Yay, well done. Well done. We have them. Great. Super, in winter. Very good. And this is it. Goodbye, guys.